Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove applied effects on your videos in CapCut PC. So here, let me just add in some effects to the video like this. And for instance, I want to remove it. So to do that, you're just going to select the video, go to the effects section here, and you can either hide it or just delete it one by one here. So delete the one that you want to remove here. And here you can also edit the effects as well. If you want, you can also put it like, on top of the video instead of like inside of it. Then you'll be able to delete it like no problem like that. And that is how you can remove effects on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.